The world watched in shock as Israel's Iron Dome, a symbol of technological defense mastery, appeared to falter. Designed to intercept and destroy short-range rockets and artillery shells, the Iron Dome has been the pride of Israeli defense systems. So when footage emerged of it missing incoming threats or being overwhelmed, one question dominated global headlines: why did the Iron Dome fail? The Iron Dome's architecture is cutting-edge, using radar and interceptor missiles to neutralize threats mid-air. But like any defense system, it has limitations. Its success rate is usually above 90%, but no system is foolproof, especially in large-scale coordinated attacks. One of the biggest challenges the system faced recently was saturation, a tactic used by adversaries to overwhelm it by launching hundreds of rockets simultaneously. When more missiles are fired than the system can handle at once, some inevitably slip through. It's not that the system is broken, it's that it's overloaded. Another reason lies in the evolution of threats. While the Iron Dome was built primarily to counter short-range rockets, the latest attacks include a mix of fast, low-flying drones and longer-range precision-guided missiles. These newer weapons challenge the system's response time and tracking abilities. Unlike traditional rockets, drones can maneuver, loiter, and strike from unpredictable angles. This adaptive warfare puts immense pressure on even the most advanced defense networks. Budget and coverage also play a role. Each Iron Dome battery covers a specific radius. If an area lies just outside that radius or is too close to the launch site, interception becomes significantly harder. With only a limited number of batteries and interceptor missiles, choices must be made about what to protect. This means that during an intense barrage, lower priority areas may be left exposed. Then there's the economic factor. Each Tamir interceptor missile costs tens of thousands of dollars, while many of the rockets it intercepts are homemade and cost just a few hundred. This economic imbalance becomes dangerous in prolonged conflicts. The enemy's strategy isn't just about destruction, it's about draining Israel's defense resources. Technological warfare is evolving faster than ever. Iran and its proxies are investing heavily in improving the accuracy, speed, and stealth of their missile systems. Some of these rockets now carry countermeasures like radar-absorbing coatings or false signal emitters that confuse tracking systems. In a battle of innovation, it's clear that no defense system can stay ahead forever without continuous upgrades. But the psychological element cannot be ignored. When even one rocket gets through and causes destruction, the public perception is that the system has failed. The reality is more complex. The Iron Dome.